OBE. So, teaching and learning in OBE. So, teaching is teaching if learners learn. So, make sure that kahit anong mangyari, there would always be an assessment because learning is measured by its outcome. Pag wala po kayong natutunan, the outcome would be very, very bad. So make sure that whatever approach to teaching is used, the intent should be what? Focus on learning rather than teaching. Subjects do not exist in isolation, but links between them should be made. Ito siya ha. If you are teaching, make sure that you just don't go through teaching para matapos lang po yung pagtuturo ninyo. Make sure that when you do teaching, it's for what? The students are learning. Students could get anything from your lesson. Hindi pwede na nagtutudlo lang ka dito tapos wala'y nakuha ang imong estudyante. So what's the purpose of your teaching? Wala, 'di ba? So sana hindi ka na lang din nagturo. So please make sure also that sabi nila, subjects do not just exist in isolation. Hindi po ito somewhat everything is what interrelated. Kasi nga you could not do a science experiment without doing a mathematics. And kahit anong subject, there should always be what? Filipino or English. Because, for example, okay, class, explain your experiment sa science. You would be using Tagalog or no, you would be using Filipino or English to explain that. Alam nga mag-explain ka na sign language lang gagamitin mo, di ba? So somewhat, it is what? Interrelated. So it is important that students know how to learn. Hence, a teacher, no, nautod siya. Wait, balik tayo. Hence, a teacher should, naulong siya. Should what? Balik. Ayan. Hence, a teacher should what? Innovate. So that's why it would be very, very boring if a teacher is a single note. Yung parang pabalik-balik na lang yung strategy niya. Especially if you are in elementary. Kasi nga, you need to make sure that the interest of your students is always there. Unlike sa college that wala silang magagawa. Students at college have no choice but to what? To listen to what the teacher is saying because everything is bigay lang ng bigay, di ba? Hindi na kailangan i-motivate kasi this is learning. Yes, there would be motivational activities, but the students in college have no choice but whether they like it or not, they should learn. But if you are teaching elementary, you should always set the tone. Kasi nga, if you would not innovate, what would happen to your student? Do you think your student would go to your class? Hindi na siguro. So how then should be learning done in OBE? So here are some tips on how to do OBE class. So number one, teka, stop muna tayo. Kasi, okay, so let's go back. So how should OBE be done? Also, here are some tips on how should it be taught o kung paano ba siya dapat ituro. So number one, teacher should prepare students adequately. Bakit adequately? This can be done if the teachers know what the students learn and what the learning outcomes should be achieved. Prerequisite knowledge is important. Thus, a review of is necessary at the start of the lesson. So number one, yung teacher dapat prepared siya. Dapat i-prepare niya yung estudyante. Kaya nga may mga this can be what? There should be what? A prerequisite knowledge. So class, what you have learned in the past lesson, diba palaging you connect the past lesson to the new lesson for the day. Kasi nga, kung hindi natin siya i-connect, parang baka mawala yung mga estudyante. So, it should be always necessary to start your lesson with a review. Number two, eto siya, pinakamasakit talaga ito. Teachers must create a positive learning environment. Ano daw ito? Positive individual environment. Students should feel that regardless of individual, the teacher is always there to help them. Teacher and student relationship is very important. The classroom atmosphere should provide a respect for diverse kind of learners. So for your activity A for this video, please list down 5 criteria. 5 lang ha. Comment nyo lang, activity A. What are the, how can you say if the environment is positive? So, lagay kayo doon, 5 lang ha. Comment nyo lang. So, A, positive learning environment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, comment down below yan siya. So, next. Next is, lang kayo naglapaw naman siya. Teachers must help their student understand what they have learned and why should they learn it. And how will they know that they have learned something? So as much as possible, for example, kagaya sa akin, I could really just give you this PowerPoint, diba? I could really just, okay class, please see the PowerPoint doon sa sa Schoology. But I always make sure that from time to time, I will not just be sharing the PowerPoint to you. Because pag shinare ko lang yung PowerPoint, do you think it would help you understand the lesson? Hindi, diba? You would argue, I think, ewan ko lang kung mag-argue pa kayo, but I think every one of you will just, go through ko lang tong PowerPoint na to. Pero sa tingin ko, you would not be learning anything if you would just be going through with the PowerPoint. And in terms of instruction, I always make sure that you know what you are learning here, diba? So for our topic for today, this is OBE. And how will they know that, so how will I know that you have learned? Makakasagot kayo ng mga questions ko. Kasi, I've explained everything. And if hindi nyo pa naintindihan yon, well, there should be a problem, di ba? So, that's simple as that. Next, eto siya. Teachers must use a variety of teaching method. Eto talaga siya. Use in taking in account the learning outcome the teachers want to achieve for students. Bakit ka gagamit ng strategy na ito kung hindi siya appropriate sa lesson na ito? 'Di ba? Yun na naman yun. You just take in consideration strategy, lesson. Inline siya dapat. Kasi kung hindi inline, what's the point of doing the lesson? Also, please make consider the contents, characteristics, and the resources available. And make sure that you're teaching skills of a teacher. Ito siya. Number one, contents. Ibig sabihin, you know the lesson. Alam mo yung gagawin mong lesson because how could you teach a very good lesson if yung content ng lesson hindi mo alam? Hindi naman natin pwede sabihin na yung lahat ng estudyante mo tanga. Well, there's no such student as tanga naman talaga ngayon. 'Di ba? Minsan, tanga ka lang na teacher kasi you did not prepare for the lesson. So how will you know the content? Next, you should also learn ano yun, pa pakiramdaman mo. Tama, yun yung term. Pakiramdaman mo yung estudyante mo. Because as you could say, 'di ba, classmates nyo nga, you could say, ito siya, this classmate is pikunin, this classmate is maarte, this classmate is ganyan, ganyan. So as a teacher, you should pakiramdaman mo yung mga estudyante mo kasi kung wala kang pakiramdam na teacher, you would just let your student, "Okay class, you group yourselves." So anong gagawin ng mga estudyante? Lahat ng bright magkakagrupo, lahat ng mga average magkakagrupo, lahat ng maingay magkakagrupo. Do you think maganda yung no, the output of your activity would be very good? I think not. I think not, 'di ba? And make sure that the resources are available. Anong mga resources ito? This will be the teaching materials, not just yung teaching materials, 'di ba? It's not just the mga gigupit-gupit nyo, but also the PowerPoint, the music, the videos that you would be doing. And ang pinakamasakit sa lahat is the ano, teaching skill of the teacher. Kasi nga, if there would be no teaching skill of the teacher, kahit gaano ka pa ka-bright sa content, kahit gaano mo kapa yung estudyante mo, kahit naka-surround system pa yung kahit nakabili ka pa ng sound mixer diyan, lahat na ng gadgets. But the saddest thing is the teacher has no skill, vlogs pa rin talaga yan. So make sure, sabi ko nga, there's no such uh, best teaching instructional material. Ang pinaka the best talaga as always would be the teacher. Kasi siya yung nagdadala ng lesson. So make sure that OBE is what? Learner-centered pa rin siya, student-centered. It could be what? Direct, time-tested methods of teaching will be appropriate. So make sure that tama lang talaga. Hindi ito siya pinadalian. This is time-tested. It takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of perseverance. Sabi nga nila, di ba? Not necessarily hinay, basta kanunay. Slowly but surely. And the methods used there should be what? Appropriate. Nagsuswak po sila. Kasi if di siya nagsuswak, well, wala talagang teaching and learning process na mangyayari. So, let's stop here. So, let's make sure ha nagawa niyo yung activity niyo. Yung positive environment, screenshot niyo lang 'to. So, ito yung assignment niyo dito for this video.